Hello, how to evaluate with a calculator? This is 5555 power 2 minus 4444 power 2. Now, we are going to make use of difference of two squares. Remember, a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. And in this case, this is our a, while this is my b. So what I'm going to do will be to have my a, which is 5 plus b, which is 4 times a again, 5 minus b, which is 4. Now, what I'm going to do will be to add this up. 5 plus 4, that is 9. 5 plus 4 again, we have 9. 5 plus 4, we have 9. 5 plus 4 again, we have 9. Then 5 minus 4, we have 1. 5 minus 4 again, we have 1. 5 minus 4, we have 1. 5 minus 4, we have 1. Now what do I do again? I can factor out 9 from here. I can have 9 times 9 divides 9, 1. 9 divides 9, 1. 9 divides 9, 1. 9 divides 9, I have 1. Times 1, 1, 1, 1. So I have 9 times 1, 1, 1, 1 times 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1 times 1, 1, 1, 1. So I can have 9 times, this is like writing 1, 1, 1, 1 power 2. So this is 9 here. I can express this 9 as 3 power 2 times 1, 1, 1, 1 power 2. Remember, if you have a squared times b squared, this is just like writing 8 times b raised to the power of 2. So if you apply that here, this is just like writing 3 times 1, 1, 1, 1 raised to the power of 2. So from here, you can easily have 3 times 1, 3 times 1 again, 3 times 1, and 3 times 1, and this raised to the power of 2. So to find the square of this, what we are going to do will be to express this as 3000 plus 333, and this is raised to the power of 2. Now this is now in the form of a plus b raised to the power of 2, which is a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. And this is my a, and this is my b. So it's just like having 3000 squared, that is my a squared plus b squared, that is 333 power 2 plus 2 times 3000 times 333. So what is 3000 squared? 3 squared is 9. So 1000 squared is 1 million. So we have 9 million. Plus for this, we have 3 times 3. So 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 3, I have 9. 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 3, 9. Then for this, I have 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 3, 9. So it's time to add up this together. This is 9, this is 18. We have 8 and carry over 1. And add here 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 9, 28. 8 carry over 2, add here 11, 11 plus 9, that is 20. 0 carry over 2 and add here, that is 11. Are you seeing that? Then we come over to this. 2 times 3,000, that is 6,000. So this is 6,000 times 3, 3, 3. Have you seen that? So let's multiply this out. 3 times 0, 3 times 0, 3 times 0, 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 0, 3 times 0, 3 times 0, 3 times 6, 18. Then this one here, 3 times 0, 3 times 0, 3 times 0, 3 times 6, 18. So let's add up together. 0, 0, 0, 8, 9, 9, 1. So what we are going to add will be 9 million plus 110,889 plus 1,998,000. So let's add up everything together. So I have 9 million. The second biggest number is 1,998,000. So I have 1,998,000. Then the third number, the least, is 110,899. Up 110,889. I add up everything together to have my final answer. This is 9. This is 8. This is 8. This is 8. This is 10. 0 caravan out here. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 caravan out here. 10 plus 1, 11. So what we are having as our final answer is 11,108,889 as the solution for 5, 5, 5, 5 power 2 minus 4, 4, 4, 4 power 2. And this will give you 11,108,889. And we have achieved this without the use of calculator, step by step, every step clearly explained. And I believe you enjoyed this and all the tricks involved. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you guys and goodbye.